Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix incoming call screen not showing on iPhone. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first solution is restart your iPhone. So guys, for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen. So guys, the next solution is enable phone app notifications on your iPhone. So guys, tap on settings, tap on notifications, scroll down and find here phone. So here is the phone, tap on phone and enable allow notifications, enable badges and everything. So after enabling this, go back. So guys, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, for the update, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So after updating your iPhone, so guys, the next solution is disable incoming call view notification banner view. So do this guys. So guys, the last method is reset all settings iPhone. So guys, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. So guys, this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. Tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone incoming call screen not showing on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.